JavaScript is the scripting language which is mainly used to give the page activity to do some work. Like we are pressing one button, it is showing welcome to JavaScript. That is called JavaScript event. How to do JavaScript event? Go to view and click on syntax, then click HTML, type HTML and JavaScript on click. So JavaScript on click event, right? Now I'm taking body BG color yellow and text blue. Now we are taking form. Now we are closing the form. Now table border to cr ch constant to input type name ch constant to register table row. TH stands for table data. Again we are taking TR table row, TH table heading. So table heading name TH, input type text, ID name, name, TH close, TR close, TH constant to input type button on click message display submit value submit page close tr close and again we are taking tr means table row. So now like CSS we use script for JavaScript. In CSS we use style tag. For JavaScript we have to use script tag. So within the head we have to write script. Then we have to close script. Then function message alert thanks for submission. Thanks for submitting your details. Now go to desktop, click message.html. Now right click, open with name Subhajit Sayan Sau, submit. Thanks for submitting your details. This is JavaScript event handling. So when we are clicking on click, when we are clicking submit button, it will go to message. Message is a function. Within message, it is written alert. Thanks for submitting your details. So it is showing alert means alert box. It is showing in a alert box. So if we click submit, it will be showing in another box. That box is having OK button. That is called alert box. Right? If we want to add two numbers, so how to do this? Similarly, we have to take another form. So how to do this? Go to new. So on click function add. Here should be the button add, submit add, display add, and here calculator number one. Again we are taking number 2. Again we are taking result. ID number 1, number 2, number 3, number 3. We are coming to add function. In add, we are taking variable where a person alert enter number 1, enter number 2, enter number 2, verse equals to a plus b alert c. So these things are not required. These things are not required. Add.html. Now we are taking the value open with enter number 1. Okay. So these are alert box, right? We are taking prompt box. Prompt. Prompt box. Prompt box. Prompt box takes the value. Like clicking at enter number 1, 23. Enter number 2, 22, 45. Right? So we are changing the box type alert to prompt. Prompt box can take the value, right? So we are doing this using the prompt box. So we are taking the same code of JavaScript function. Instead of using alert box, we are taking prompt box. Okay. So in this tutorial, we have learned JavaScript variable, function, alert box, and prompt box.